Be ready. Start. When the said orders were questioned, the learned single judge allowed the writ petition by judgment and order dated 17 February 2009 by setting aside the dismissal order with a direction for payment of all pensionary benefits and 50% of back wages. Stop. The said order was passed as the respondent employee has attained the age of superannuation. Stop. When the said order was challenged by way of intra-court appeal, the same ended in dismissal. Stop. Hence, this civil appeal. Stop. We have heard Miss Kiran Suri, learned senior counsel, appearing for the appellants, and Mr. Singh, learned senior counsel, appearing for the respondent. Stop. It is contended by learned senior counsel for the appellants that Rule 161 of the Railway Protection Force Rules 1987 empower the authorities to dispense with inquiry where the competent authority is of the view that it is not reasonably practicable to hold an inquiry. Stop. It is contended that having regard to nature of allegations, as the delinquent employee has threatened the witnesses who were not willing to participate in the inquiry, the authorities have invoked Rule 161 and passed orders. Stop. It is further submitted that even if the order of dismissal does not contain reasons, it is sufficient if the file discloses recording of reasons before passing the order. Stop. Against the order allowing the writ petition, though the special appeal was filed before the division bench, the High Court has not considered various grounds raised by the appellants and erroneously confirmed the order of the learned single judge. Stop. Lastly, it is contended that in any event, the High Court has committed error in ordering payment of 50% of back wages. Stop. In support of the order of dismissal, learned senior counsel has placed reliance on the judgment of this court in the case of Sahadev Singh and others versus Union of India and others. Stop. Against grant of back wages, learned senior counsel appearing for the appellants has relied on the judgment of this court in the case of Tarseem Singh versus State of Punjab and others. Stop. It is submitted that as the allegations made against the respondent are serious, no back wages were to be granted in his favor. Stop. Reliance is placed on the judgment of this court in a case and also in the case of Commissioner of Police, Delhi and others versus Jai Bhagwan in support of her argument. Stop. On the other hand, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent has drawn our attention to Rule 161 of the RPF rules and submitted that no reasons are recorded for passing such order by invoking the said rule. Stop. It is submitted that the very rule requires recording of reasons. Order passed without recording any reason cannot stand to legal scrutiny. Stop. Further, it is contended that the allegation against the respondent that he conspired with the other head constable in commission of theft of non-judicial stamp papers is vague and is no ground at all to dispense with the inquiry. Stop. It is submitted that conduct of inquiry before any punishment is a normal rule and Rule 161 of the RPF rules can be invoked only in exceptional cases but not in a routine manner. Stop. It is submitted that when the rule itself mandates recording of reasons, the argument of the other side that it is sufficient if file contains reasons is no ground to sustain the order. Stop. Learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent has placed reliance on the judgment of this court in a case. Stop.